Hello guys, my name is Bizotino. I'll be taking you through air conditioners. We have got 5 types of air conditioners. The 5 types are split type AC, window type, CCD, high wall, and single AC package. Through split type is the most common air conditioning unit. It consists of an indoor unit and an outdoor unit. The indoor unit consists of an evaporator coil. The evaporator is the fan coil unit, the unit where the cool air is blown into the room. It also consists of a throttling valve. And in the outdoor unit, we have got a compressor and a condenser. The compressor does the state change, the change of states from liquid to solid. The condenser does the heat rejection. The split type is just an interaction. The interaction at the split type is the one that moves the AC to do its work. In window type consists of the indoor and the outdoor unit built together as a single unit. The window type is called the window type because it's been installed in window frames as the single package. The window type is the most efficient AC type, as the heat which will be lost through the ducts of the split. Here the ducts are shorter, so there are no heat gain and heat losses. The only disadvantage with the window type is that it's hard to install, and it causes it's like a sense of a sort of insecurity installation. The third unit, CCD. The CCD unit consists of several indoor units connected to a single outdoor unit. The several indoor units are connected to the ceiling of a room through a series of ducts that come from the outdoor unit. The indoor unit consists of a supply grill and a return grill. The supply grill supplies the cool air from the outdoor unit, while the return grill takes the warm air from the room and exhausts it to the outside air. High wall units. High wall unit is a single standalone AC unit. It's called high wall unit being that it stands tall close to the wall. And of all the AC units, it has got the largest BTU per hour unit. Uses of AC. Air conditioning does the conditioning of the air. It cleans the air, it filters the air, and it cools the air. Causes of AC noise. Blower fan issues, rattling at the supply and return grills, the looseness at the deductible units, and the foreign units inside the ducts. That's all about our lesson today. We'll do more in the next unit. Hope you enjoyed the unit. Thank you.